It's Patrick at Pals, and we're continuing on with our 750 install. And we just set the right power valve in the car, and you can see we've got the bowls back on, everything's reassembled. Now, the last step before you put the carburetor onto the car is to set your idle screws. Your idle screws are right here. You need to check them. There's 4 of them on this carburetor, one on each side of each block, metering block. You want to turn those in until they lightly seat and then back them off 1.5 turns, and that's your starting point. Now, when I checked this carburetor, 3 of the screws were totally bottomed out. Only 1 was out at all. So you need to check this important step before you try to start the car. So set the idle screws all the way in till they lightly seat, then back them out 1.5 turns. And when you set your idle, you have to set each of these screws the same amount. You don't want one turn out and the other 3 1.5 turns out. You want them all the same. If you've got a carburetor, bring it to Pals. See you soon.